5,000了，来了啊！
第三讲5000块啊，5000块。
5000块啊，5000块啊，吃的肚子不会坏啊！
噔噔噔，
哇 ，Mr.
Mr. Designer's Gallery.
Hi, my name is Pokui. I'm a data center engineer for a multinational company and a very proud owner of this house. Interior designer is Mr. Chong from Mr. Designer Gallery, and we found him through Facebook. So after doing some research and some reviews from Renopedia, we decided to get Mr. Designer Gallery. They gave us quite a number of designers, and based on our criteria, we decided to narrow it down and decide to aim into Mr. Designer Gallery. So we decided to go for minimalism for my house because to me, we want it to have a more open, more spacious and a more peaceful environment. Secondly, we also want the space to be big so that my dog will be able to roam around more freely and he'll be more happy to see a big space for him. I would say the favorite part of the house is the bedroom that conjoins two bedrooms together. So we have worked together with the interior designer and to match up the two rooms to see whether it suits to my need, and it's also part of my dream to have one big bedroom at least once in my life. Working through with our ID is a breeze experience because we did not encounter any major hiccups, and any small hiccups that we gone through, they can able to resolve it in a very short span of time. They are the no-frills experience. We just provide some input such as our budget, our floor plan, and a few other things. And within a week, they responded to us very quickly. And even so, some IDs also start to call us. With my experience, I would say that Renopedia is a no-frills platform. You just need to provide them with your inputs, and they will get back to you really, really quickly. I will highly recommend Renopedia because based on my experience, they are a no-frills platform. Thank you, Renopedia. Do check out their socials for more home renovation tips and inspirations. Bye-bye.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.